really love you. We love you.
Hi vlog. I am dead to the world.
And you're not.
I'm fucking.
Like, I've never taken you.
Listen, ask me if I can breathe, because I can't. She's shy.
Tell him what you just said.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel from my bed. Today's video is another vlog style video, so it's just gonna be a weekend in my life. It's kind of busy, just doing like the same stuff and a lot of catch up, filming and blah blah blah. I started the vlog on Friday though because I just thought I might as well start it on Friday. I just wanted to come and film an intro because I never film one, I just always forget. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hi vlog, so I've literally been editing all morning. I literally forgot to even make breakfast. I just finished making breakfast. I've sat down to eat now. I've got avocado on a bagel, bacon on a bagel, egg on a bagel. I was meant to start filming now, but I really need to get this video edited for tonight. So I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna watch something while I eat my breakfast, and then I'm gonna get back to editing, and then I'll probably film later on in the day. This video literally took me 6 hours to edit. I'm back in my bed. I was editing at my desk after I had breakfast, but I just got really tired. Like, I went to bed after 4 yesterday because I was out filming so late, so I'm just really tired. I feel like I've kind of gone easy on myself today. Like, I wanted to do a bit of uni work, but I just didn't have it in me. So I'm gonna upload this video, gonna do the caption. I'm literally just gonna get it completely ready, and I'm just gonna go take a shower because I'm still in my pajamas, not pajamas, like still in my nightgown. Vlog, I don't know if you're going to be able to hear me over my fan. Saturday, it is 10 o'clock. I'm going out later, so I want to try and get a little bit done just before I leave. No, my hair looks disgusting. There's a BTS concert at 11, so I think I'm going to do my makeup while I watch the concert, and then I'm gonna film a hair tutorial, so I need to like prep my hair. I also need to eat something, so I'll probably go make breakfast now. Like, so does this thing.
And then Nana will take you. Yeah, excuse me, why you bring your beautiful nose? Taste a little bit. I don't think good morning. That was the night of the party though. It was so great. Speaking of, like setting up the essence marriage. Right. Not forcing them to get married. If you don't like each other, it's not like each other, but it's not their problem. I think it's safe to say that the three of us here understand like school values, and the other side understand where I'm coming from. Because I think at the end of
Hi vlog. BTS concert took up more time than I expected. I thought I could have got my makeup done while I watched it, but I didn't. But it was only like 2 and a bit hours, so it's okay. It's like, I think it's just gone 1. I might go and wash my hair. I need to eat because I'm literally so hungry. Hey guys, so I look really mad. Currently doing my makeup. I'm about to go meet Olivia before I straighten up my hair while I bake. I'm literally sick of wearing buns, but like, it's just so quick and so easy. I just finished straightening up my hair. My makeup looks crazy because it's not done.
He was smoking mine.
Oh, smoking mine? Like Zekerah?
Yeah. Oh my god, is it recording? Mm-hmm. No, you're joking. No, do you know because you put it backwards, it looks like you're a doctor.
I spelled my name wrong. Before my own name.
The question is if they have Prosecco.
I know.
Because I'm a motherfucking city girl.
City girl, yeah. No, it's for everything. 37. I want the same as you. Me drinking straight vodka. My friend won't drink.
Zekerah, what did Zekerah say about that? Tell him what you just said.
A girl called Sophia in the Westfield Nando's. We absolutely love you. We're gonna put in a good word for you with your manager.
True. Sophia, we really love you.
We love you, Sophia.
Hanjan. He's like, baby, I need to be crazy.
Look at my hair. This is how short it is.
No, Zekerah, you're really pretty.
Oh, thanks, I got that on camera. You know I'm buzzed. I'm filming in public and doing my hair. Laugh out loud.
Zekerah, your waist looks fine.
We have no ass, so it cancels out. Oh, I'm fucking.
Like, I've never taken you.
Listen, ask me if I can breathe, because I can't.
Where you got from here?
Yeah. Yeah. It in Westfield. She's shy. Hey guys, so OOTD, sports bra is PLT. What's my jacket wear? Khaki Bees is MSG, Misguided. These are the smoke grey Jordan 1s in the mid. And this is my boohoo jacket and my... Hi vlog, my hair is literally so frizzy. I literally just got home, hence the mask. My room is literally still a mess from when I left, so I'm gonna tidy my room and then I need to edit my footage from yesterday and today to try and get this vlog ready for Monday, because tomorrow I've got a busy day, lots and lots of uni catch up, so I need to get my content side of stuff sorted tonight. So it's Sunday morning. I just got done with the BTS concert. I need to tidy my room because when I got ready to go out yesterday I literally left it in a mess. As you can see, lots of uni work to catch up on this week. I went out twice, no 3 times, slacked on work, and I even slacked on content I haven't posted on Instagram. Makeup drawer is done, desk is done, I'm happy with that. That there and the stuff on that corner of this is not actually part of how it's meant to look. I just want to buy my decorations when this is white so I can get a feel for what I actually want, if that makes sense. I'm not going to buy any until I can just get a vibe of how the mirror is going to be when it's white, and if it's going to need a bit of colour, or if I should get neutrals, blah 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 blah. Trust me, I've got better interior design skills than to think that looks cute. So I'm done with my room. I'm gonna start uni work, which is not very fun, but a lot of catching up to do. Ordered a Subway. Currently 6, so there's still 6 hours left of the day till 12, which means there's still time for me to get stuff done. I just literally woke up, got ready, watched a BTS concert, and I've just been doing uni work since. I ordered a Subway. I'm gonna get back to uni work because I've got 9 AM tomorrow, so I actually need to get to bed quite early, and I am extremely tired. I've been waking up early these past couple of days, maybe for another hour and a bit, and then do my makeup so I can actually get to filming something, because I look disgusting. I literally woke up, showered, and just said c'est la vie is what it is. Hi vlog, it is 7:40 and I just got done with my last lecture notes. I actually wanted to finish at 7:30 and it's 7:30 now, so that's good. Just gonna get ready to film. I want to be done by 11, so I'm giving myself 3 hours, which is pushing it, but I think I can do it. I'm meant to be filming, but I can't lie, I am a planning freak. I'm just planning my week. Tomorrow's Monday. I love Mondays, fresh week, new YouTube video. I just love Mondays. I'm just gonna carry on planning for literally, I'm gonna try and make it as quick as I can because I honestly do not have time. Just finished planning my Monday. It literally took me 10 minutes, which I'm glad about. Guys, I am literally so tired. It is currently oh my god, why can I suddenly not tell the time? It's 12:20 at night. I am dead to the world. No, I'm joking. I just got done filming. I filmed part of a YouTube video. I need to film multiple things for it, so I'm just gonna do it day by day so I'm not too overwhelmed. Oh my god, my hair looks so bad. I'm splashing red right now. I have class at 9 AM tomorrow. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog next week. I probably should, because my weeks are going to be really busy regardless. I don't know, I'll decide in the morning. I've got 3 classes tomorrow, so I'm going to literally take off my makeup, wash my face, do a bit of skincare and call it a night. So this is the end of the vlog. I don't know if it's actually going to be a good one. I just wanted to show you guys what I got up to in the week, on the weekend. So yeah, I'll see you guys on Friday.